Homework number 8.82. We'll need to create a program that records 5 seconds of analog data from our ADC converter module. We have the potentiometer to generate that ADC signal. Here we have, as usual, our code running on Sunny. I'll show you because we are going to write on a file name called userdata.txt. We have that file here on documents. It's here right now. It's empty. I'm going to show you there's nothing on that file. I'm going to close it, and I am about to hit the run button for the program. So I'm going to run it. It's about to start. I will change the potentiometer value. So I changed the value of the potentiometer. We start at 0. I start increasing it, and I ended up in 0, and I was able to generate a plot showing the same behavior. So we ended up in zeros, 0. We were increasing it at some point, so it was increasing and decreasing, and we start with zeros. I will show you in a second. Zeros figure. We start in zeros and we start increasing it at this point. Zeros, and we start increasing the value. This is a plot of voltage versus time. I'm going to generate a second plot showing the opposite behavior, but first I'm going to show you what we got on the file. So user data point txt, we have, let me compare here, we have the same values at sample time 4806, ADC value 37, 0.48. This is the file at 06, ADC value at 37. We have the voltage value. We have the 50 samples in this file. Right now you can see there are 50 samples here, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to run the code again. So I'm ready to run it. I'm going to generate a different plot compared to this one. Give me a second, and run. So we are going to start at 3. I'll go to 0 and go back to 3. We generate the plot. We start at 3, go to 0, and I start coming back down, coming back up to 3. It's going back to 3. And if I open again the file, now we have more data points to show, and as you can see, this time we start at 3, go down to 0, and go back to 3. This is the, one more time, the plot generated.